Hello viewers, welcome to the video tutorial on how to use StockNote Chat, a platform to discuss about markets with your friends and family. So let's see how it works. StockNote Chat is exclusively available in StockNote mobile app. You can download StockNote mobile app from Play Store or App Store. So first, log in with your trading account login credentials. Once you logged in, click on Chat. Now, to sync all your contacts, click on Agree and Continue. The app will automatically filter your friends using StockNote. Now, to create a group, tap on plus button which is on the top right of the screen. Now, enter the group name and here you will find the list of all StockNote users in your contact. Add your preferred friends and tap on create group. Now, you can simply start chatting with the group members, or you can also share a link to other members to invite them. Once the group is successfully created, you can chat and discuss about stocks by sharing the live codes. You can do so by typing $sign followed by the script name. The best part is you can also share your live trades in all the groups. In case if you don't wish to share your live trades, you can simply turn it off by going to profile, which is on the top left, and turn off the live trades. So what are you waiting for? Use StockNote Chat today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.